Abandika, what do you want to eat?
Pav Bhaji, please.
Why Pav Bhaji?
Growing up in Bengal, I haven't ever really had a good sense of what the real authentic Bollywood famous Pav Bhaji tastes like. It was until I first went to Mumbai for my higher studies when I tried a real Pav Bhaji from Canad Pav Bhaji. I felt flavors that still linger on my tongue. Since then, I fell in love with the ever so delicate eighth wonder of the world that is Mumbai street style Pav Bhaji. The butter toasted buns lathered with special chutney, with the hot and spicy bhaji, bubbling butter on top, and some coriander for the color, would make any ordinary day a day worth living. Now thinking about pav bhaji brings back memories of those countless times when my friends and I went out for random walks and pav bhaji would be our go-to snack. Even to get out of our hangover, we would always resort to pav bhaji for some concentrated flavor to sweat out the toxins and get our day started.